Okay, guys, I'm so happy that I'm doing this today, and I would want to, focus on USD30, and USD30 is Nasdaq this morning. And the focus is kind of like the price, you know, has not broken, this area, okay? And since this area, remains unbroken, what I've been looking at is to, look for opportunities for a short sell though. Well, you really cannot tell where the sell, how low the sell may go. It may be anywhere here, or it may get, this, further down. And, one thing I always tell people is that every analyst, forex, financial analyst, either technical or fundamental, even a sentiment analyst, nobody knows the exact point price is going to get. We all are just, looking at or using whatever knowledge we have, to follow, market move. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. So in this case, this is what I am actually looking at. I have set the resistance level for this area that remains unbroken in the 1 hour time frame, and I always trade the lower time frame. Now this is that level here. So the point now is that if this level remains unbroken, okay, let me use the 1 minute time frame though, because I am an intraday trader. I do more of intraday trading, just taking short opportunities. All right, now this is that level. So far so good. This is what price has done today. Okay, this is Monday. This is what price has done, and as it is now, I'm just expecting or hoping that price might just do a little pullback or a retracement. Let us not use a pullback in this regard. The lot price might just do a little retracement, and that retracement can go a little bit up, and then we can now look for a sell opportunity. Okay, this will definitely confirm that this will confirm a sell opportunity if it does not, this level is actually not threatened. Threatened means the price does not break above this resistance level, because definitely if it does, it means that that level is going to, we're definitely going to be looking for a new zone. All right, but here we already have this level that remains unbroken. This already has turned to a zone here in the 1 minute time frame. So a little pullback, then a short sell is what I then will be looking for, and that is what I actually have set my mind to do today. So that is that for US30. Okay, that's that for US30. For and US30 is Nasdaq, sorry, no, Dow Jones. So if you are trading indices, if you're an indices trader, you can just keep to this analysis and trade it as it comes. All right, although the major the major trend bias here is still on the upside, and the reason being that we still have this level price. This is where price has come from all the while, and you can see all what price has done. Look at, okay, then we had a breakout of this zone, of this level, so to say. It's actually a zone, okay, this and this. So we had a breakout, then we had this a little support, okay, a little pullback though, then we had this breakout, then we had this, then we had this. All right, so on that's on the in the long form, we are still actually the move of the market, the bias though is still on the upside. So that is what we are still looking at. So it still does not stop any opportunity to sell, so long we still have a buy trend that we are actually following in the 1 hour time frame, and so to speak. All right, so I'm just kind of like bringing all these things out so you can see. And some of, just to answer a quick question, I trade a lot using what is called the, I call it the TDA. Okay, TDA is stop down. Okay, yes, top down analysis. All right, so I call it the TDA. So I do a lot of top down analysis, using the bigger time frames. Like as an intraday trader, I tend to like always focus on hours like the 4 hours. Okay, hours like the 4 hours, and look for zones or strong areas in the 4 hour time frames. Okay, so if you look for this area, like for instance, this is a level here. Let me draw this. Okay, then you go to 1 minute, sorry, the likes of 4 hour time frame. This is the same zone. Okay, and this still, this level still remains. Okay, I'm just going to draw it properly. All right, so this is it. So you see that the 4 hour, the 1 hour speaks the same language. Then I can now come to a smaller time frame like the 1 minute and the 5 minute, and also maybe the 1 minute, to look for retouch. All right, so that's what I always look for. It's very simple. It's a simple method. Now you can see this one's one. This is actually the second time. This is the third time. This is the fourth time. This is the fifth time. So I always look for retouch. So once I get 1 or 2 or 3 retouches, the next thing is to look for buy opportunity. And then in areas like this, you can just pick up your buy opportunity. All right. Okay, yeah, that's a cool one. Let me use this to draw it. So in areas like this, you can just draw your buy opportunity, maybe when price breaks above the near level, and this was when price broke above. Okay, or you could also use maybe once you get this too, you could also use this to take your opportunity and then do what? So you buy. So far so good. Like I said earlier on, we still have the major trend is still in the buy, but yes, it doesn't stop you seeing using your third eye to also look for opportunities in areas where you can also sell from. Okay, so this is my take for sell. All right, that if conditionally. All right, so if is a conditional statement here. I think we were taught this while we were in the programming school learning programming languages. Okay, so the if price does not break above here, this line here, or this level here, definitely we will be selling. And that's what you know we have been doing. I mean, looking for areas where you can take a short sell until price gets another level, maybe anywhere around here. Okay, let me redraw. Anywhere around here, if price is able to get any level around here, then we then start buying and buying again. All right, so I think that is it. So basically this analysis is just like a follow-up of what I really want to do this week. Okay, it's basically what I really want to do this week, and that is what I am going to do. So until the next video, I'll tell you, and I'll show to you as it goes, buy or sell, whatever it is. All right, for USD 30. So until then, I say thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.